1, go!
And match number 27 of 90 now underway. We will be breaking for lunch after match number 33 today, as the bots are reacting to their programming, hopefully the way they're supposed to, as they can score anywhere from 3 to 7 points in the autonomous for every action successfully completed. Now the Decatur Robotics team places Coral high atop the reef for 5 points as 69-25. WA Robotics spins in the current, looking for the algae, pulling it off of the reef at 74-51. The Avenger Robotics team scores high and then removes the coral, removes the algae. They lift their arm high above the ocean surface, dropping that algae into the Blue Alliance barge in the net for 4 points, as it's 34-34 right now, tied up with 1:44 left to go. 44-68. That's the Lynx Robotics team. Looking for some algae, trying to get it off of the reef. Just for your information, when they place the coral on the reef, if it's touching a piece of algae, it does not count for any points. Coral and algae can accidentally be unscored as well. 44-68, looking still to pull that piece of algae off. They're having a little problem. At 74-51, the Avenger Robotics team, currently ranked number 9 with their Land Shark bot, trying to place coral on the reef at 69-25, pulls algae off of the reef. It goes flying across the ocean floor underneath the Red Alliance barge. The Avenger Robotics team has coral in their possession. They're moving around the reef, trying to figure out where they want to place it. They're rebuilding it strategically, placing it high atop the reef for 5 points, as it's now 51-44 with 40 seconds left to go in favor of the Red Alliance. 44-68 and 40-26 side by side is 75-38 with Havoc, creating havoc on the red end of the field. 69-25 dancing around at the reef as the Red Alliance places algae into the net above that was processed by the Blue Alliance on the side of the field. We're down to under 20 seconds as another piece of algae is processed by the Blue Alliance for 6 and then scored in the net for 4 by the Red Alliance. It's 72-65 in favor of the Blue Alliance as 40-26 pulls himself off of the ocean floor. 10-3-76 is parked. That could be 14 points right there. That could be the difference in the match. 2 of the bots for the Blue Alliance are parked for 2 points apiece. 40-26, the Decatur Robotics team. If they're successfully credited with ascending towards the surface of the ocean, they will get 12 points for that, and then they will also be able to get a ranking point for their alliance because they will have scored more than 14 points underneath the barge. And here we go with the score. The Red Alliance victorious in that match. 81-78. And the difference in that match was the barge points.